Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, today we are going to learn about the pie chart, how to draw the circle graph, or also it is called the pie chart. So here two circle graphs are given. So first, the time spent by the child during a day. Okay, we know that in the day total 24 hours. So whole circle is of 24 hours and we divide it into different 8 hours sleep, 6 hours school, 3 hour play, 3 hour others, 4 hour homework, like this. And here the age group of the people in the town, 50,000 people are of 50 to 60 years, 30,000 students are of 0 to 14 years, and 60,000 people are of 20,000. So here it is given, it is the circle graph or pie chart that already we learned in the previous classes. Okay, so how to draw the pie chart? Here one information is given. Chocolate 50% student prefer the chocolate, vanilla 25%, and other flavors 25% student are prefer the other flavor for the ice creams. So we have to draw the pie chart for the this given data. So first of all, total we have to do the total of all these. So total is 100. Okay, so total is 100%. So from these 50% are the means 100 ka half, 50% are like chocolates. Okay, so it is given over here. So 50% तो हमको ऐसे ही कर देना है. तो ये हो गया हमारा चॉकलेट का 50%. तो अब ये पूरा 50% रिमेनिंग वो उसका दो पार्ट 25-25, तो 25-25 अदर फ्लेवर एंड वेनिला फ्लेवर. बट इसको मैथमेटिकल में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें, ये तो हमने ऐसे ही कर दिया. बट इफ यू वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट इट मैथमेटिकली, सो हाउ कैन वी represent? So first of all, we just do the total of the all percentage. Total of the all percentage is 100. So we have to do like this. So 50% means 50 divided by 100. Okay, so 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut, and 5 2s are 10, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 of 360. So friends, we know that this whole circle is of 360 degree. Okay, so we have to do 1/2 of 360. So if we do 1/2 of means multiply by 360. Now if we cut these two, so 18 2s are, so answer is 180. So first of 50% is 180 degree, so 180 degree, and another 25 means 25 divided by total is 100, 25 divided by 100, so 1/4. So 1/4 of 360 degree, it is equal to 90. So both are 90 degree. So here this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this one is 180 degree. So this way we can divide the circle in the different groups. Okay, now let me see the example number 1. So example number 1 is that the pie chart is given is the expenditure on the various items and the saving of the family during the month. So they expend 15% on the education, 25% on food, 10% on clothes, saving only 15%, other 20%, transport 5%, and house rent 10%. So from this pie chart, we have to give the answers of the following questions. So if we do the addition of all the expenditure, all are given in percentage. So addition of all is equal to 100%. So 100% is the salary of the given person. Okay, if we do the addition, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 15, 75, 75 plus 20, 95, 95 plus 500. If we do the addition, so everything is 100%. So how can we find the all things? Let me see. On which item the expenditure was maximum? So maximum is on food. See here, 25% maximum expenditure was on food. Okay, we also spending so many money on the food only. The next, another expenditure on which item is equal to the total saving of the family. So total saving is 15%. So another same expenditure here, education for the children 15%. So both are same saving. So answer is education for the children 50%. Okay, next one, if the monthly saving of the family is rupees 3000, monthly saving is 3000. So what is the monthly expenditure on the clothes? So clothes पे वो कितना expenditure करते हैं? अगर saving 3000 है, so how many money they are spending on the, so we know that monthly saving is 15%. So 15% of the salary. Okay, so I am doing here, salary is X. So 15% of X, salary X हो गई हमारी salary. So 15% of the salary is equal to, दिया है हमें यहाँ पे 3000. Okay, x इज इक्वल टू सैलरी, उसका 15% होता है 3000, सो 15 डिवाइड बाय 100 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई x इज इक्वल टू 3000. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ओके, x फाइंड करना है तो 100 डिवाइड में है तो हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में, 15 ऊपर है तो हो जाएगा डिवाइड में, तो होगा x इज इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 डिवाइड बाय 50. ओके, ऐसे होगा. सो फ्रेंड्स 15 को हमें कट करना है, यहाँ पे 30 है, 3000 है, बट अगर 30 को कंसीडर करें तो 15 टू जा 32 और ये 2 2 0 ऊपर लगा दो, सो 2 1 जा 2 और उसके पीछे 4 0, तो इतनी हो गई उसकी सैलरी. 20,000 है उसकी सैलरी. ओके, सो 20,000 में से हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, व्हाट इज द मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन क्लोथ्स. क्लोथ्स के ऊपर वो कितना खर्चा करते हैं. अगर उसकी सैलरी 20,000 है, सो हाउ मेनी मनी दे स्पेंड ऑन देयर क्लोथ. सो 20,000 का 10% दे आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन द क्लोथ. सो 20,000 का 10% कितना होगा, 20,000 का 10%. ओके, ऐसे हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं किसी का भी परसेंटेज. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 डिवाइड बाय 100, 110 कट 110 कट, सो 2,000 रुपीज. सो रुपीज 2,000 they are spending on the clothes. Okay, so this way we can find how much money they spend on the clothes. See here, full process is given, rupees 2,000. Now the next example number 2. On the particular day, the sale in the different items of the baker's shop is given below. Ordinary bread 320, fruit bread 80 rupees, cake and pastries 160 rupees, biscuit 120, others 40 rupees. So draw the pie chart of the given data. So total is 720. So we have to consider total circle is equal to 720. So if I draw, so this full circle is 320. Okay, now how many angles which bread consume, which angles that we have to find. So 320. So 320 divided by 720. जो भी हमें करें उसको हमें 720 टोटल से डिवाइड करना है, तो इसको 720 से डिवाइड किया. सो वी गॉट हियर 0 0 कट एंड ये दोनों को कट करना है. सो ये दोनों होते 8 के टेबल में, 8 4 जा 32, 8 9 जा 72, तो 4/9. सो 4/9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 360, 9 4 जा 36, 4 4 जा 16, तो 160 डिग्री. 160 डिग्री ऑर्डिनरी ब्रेड. ऐसे ही 120 डिवाइड बाई 0 0 को 12 6 जा 72, सो 1/6 6 और ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 6 6 जा 36 और एक 0 60 डिग्री. बिस्किट्स केक एंड पेस्ट्री 160 है, सो 160 डिवाइड बाई 720, 0 0 कट और ये दोनों को कट करना है. 8 2 जा 16, 8 9 जा 72, सो 2/9 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 360, सो 80. ओके, सो लाइक दिस. जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल में देखेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा. सो अब यही सभी एंगल्स हमको विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर इसमें अलग अलग ड्रॉ कर देने हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल में हम देखेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. नाउ लेट वी सी एक्सरसाइज 5.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. A survey was made with the find the types of music that certain group of young people liked in the city. Adjoining the pie chart shows in the figure finding the survey. So 30% people like folk music, 10% like classical music, 20% like semi-classical, and 40% like light music. So from this we have to give the answers of the following question. So question number 1 is that if 20 people like the classical music, so how many young people were surveyed? We have to find the total number of people. It is given that 20 people like the classical music. Okay, classical music 20 people like. So classical music here 10%. Okay, 10% and 20 people. 10% and 20 people is the given. So here what we have to do, we have to just guess total number of people is equal to x. Total number of people is equal to x. So 10% of x is equal to 20. Okay, 10% of total people is equal to 20. So 10%. So 10 divided by 100 multiplied by x. Of का meaning होता है multiply over here. So 10 divided by 100 multiplied by x is equal to 20. So here we have to find the value of x. So this 100 went to the multiplication with 20 and this 10 goes to division of the this one. So 20 multiplied by 100 divided by x. 0 0 will be cut. 2 1 जा 2 और 2 0 पीछे, so 200. So x is equal to 200. So total people were surveying, 200 people were surveying. Now the next question is that which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people. So maximum number of people like the light music. It is given over here. Now, if the cassettes company were to make 1000 CDs, so how many each type of would they make? अगर उसको 1000 CDs बनानी है सभी की मिलके, so सभी की कितनी कितनी CDs बनेगी according to this percentages. Total they want to make 1000 CDs. So we know that total is 1000 CD. Okay, so how can we find it? Total CDs are 1000. So classical, it is given in the pie chart. Classical is given 10%. So 1000 का 10%. So 1000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. 2 0 कट, here 1 1 0 कट. So ऊपर क्या बचा 100. तो 100 CDs बनेगी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक की. सेमी क्लासिकल इज गिवन 20%. सो 1000 का 20%. सो 1000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 डिवाइड बाय 100. 2 2 0 कट. सो 200 जा 200. सो सेमी क्लासिक की बनेगी 200 CDs. नाउ द लाइट म्यूजिक. लाइट म्यूजिक इज ऑफ 40%. सो 1000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 40 डिवाइड बाय 100. सो वो बनेगी 400 CDs. एंड द फोक म्यूजिक इज 30%. सो उसकी बनेगी 300 CDs. सो दिस वे वी हैव टू फाइंड द percentage, and from the percentage number of the items or objects we can find from here. Let me move towards the question number 2. That is the question number 2. In the question number 2, given the seasons, different season, it is the survey of 360 people like the seasons. So 90 people like the summer season, 120 people like the rainy season, and 150 people like the winter season. So which season got the most votes? So first of all, winter season got the most vote. Find the central angle of the each sector. सभी का में कौन कौन से एंगल का आएगा वो हमें फाइंड करना है. So friends, we know that total there is 360 people, and in circle also. अगर हम सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे तो सर्कल में भी टोटल कितनी डिग्री है? 360 डिग्री है. Okay, so the summer, 90 people like summer, so 90 divided by 360, total 360 are there na, total 360 people, so 90 divided by total people multiply by total angle 360, so 360 cut, so 90 degree angle summer, rainy same process 120, and winter also 150. So here we have to draw the pie chart for the following. So first of all I am just drawing the round and just a line. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ. So first of all, the summer 90% 90 डिग्री, समर है 90 डिग्री, तो हमें यहाँ पे सेंटर रख के 90 डिग्री यहाँ पे आता है. So this is our 90 degree summer. Now the next is 120 डिग्री. तो हम 120 इसको थोड़ा सा वर्टिकल जैसे कर लें, और यहाँ से ये 0 डिग्री यहाँ है, तो 120 डिग्री आएगा करीब करीब यहाँ पर. तो ये हो गया हमारा 120 डिग्री. दैट इज द रेनी, और रिमेनिंग इज द विंटर 150 degree. So this is our pie chart. So our pie chart is ready here. Now friends, we finished our question number 1 and 2 from the exercise number 5.2. Question 3 onwards we will see in our next video. Complete these both questions in your notebook. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.